Hi friends, I'm Jeremy with Osborne Wood Products. Welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can find the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Today, I'd be happy to share a few of our Mission Corbels with you. I'm going to start here with this. This is the Capri Mission Corbel. This is part 8008. It's 6 inches tall, 3 inches wide, has a 2 3/4 depth. It's petite size. It's going to allow you really to fit this into a small space. It's going to make it easy to add that sophisticated touch to your project. If you need a heftier option, let me suggest this. This is the Verona Mission Corbel. It's part 8083. This is going to be large enough to support a large overhang, a countertop, a fireplace mantle, any shelving that you have. This is going to be 12.5 inches tall. It's 5.5 inches wide, 8 inches depth. Let me also show you this. This is our last option, the narrow Mission Corbel, part 8700. That's 8700. It has a 14-inch height, 3-inch width, and a 6.5-inch depth. All of these corbels are available in multiple unfinished wood types and can be customized according to your design needs. With several sizes to choose from, of course, this isn't the entire collection. Please do browse that collection for your project. And you're going to be sure to find the perfect fit. Thank you for joining me today for Osborne's 2-Minute Tuesdays. Visit our website at www.osbornewood.com to check out our full selection of Mission Corbels. If you'd like to stay up to date with product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.